Today for the Bitcoin and Ethereum price. And yes, guys, today is certainly one for the history books. Bitcoin and Ethereum are doing actually right now what we were predicting throughout the last few days. I will talk about one specific thing unfolding Bitcoin charts, which we have to pay close attention, especially if you are watching as a Bitcoin bull. Watch this video until the very end, because today I have some very juicy price targets to reveal. I have some very juicy plans to reveal when it comes to my trading plans on Bitcoin in the immediate short term. So watch this video until the very end. Smash up the like button, like on every single video. Guys, you are one of a kind. Our videos are getting more than all others in the industry right now. If I forget someone, big shout out to you. I'm very sorry about that, but I'm just very enthusiastic about our community because you are so supportive. Let's go straight into the content. I just wanted to show you quickly the beautiful sunset here. I mean, guys, you cannot make it up. This must be a simulation. I mean, this is so beautiful. Anyway, let's go straight into the charts, and towards the end I want to show you the sun setting. But now let's get down to business and let's talk about the Bitcoin price in the immediate short term. Right now we are finding ourselves here on the 4-hourly candles for Bitcoin, and you remember how I was talking about this potential head and shoulders pattern. I was telling you approximately here that I remain in my bullish bias as long as we are not breaking our neckline. And obviously Bitcoin got a beautiful bounce over here. Actually, if you are subscribed to the MMCrypto Twitter channel, you probably saw how I posted this funny but yet very truthful post here. Bitcoin is showing the middle finger to the bears by bouncing from the head and shoulders neckline. In the moment of the bounce, I updated you at $39,000 over on Twitter, and right now, as you can see, we got the bounce and we are bouncing further, and we are already at $41,000. So first of all, some people might say this is a W pattern. Yeah, you might say so. I don't like that the second low is lower than the first one, but the target of this one, just if you're interested, 2,300, approximately the previous high. Very interesting. But more importantly for me right now, with this breakout, with this bullish reversal here right now, what are the next price targets? And well, you remember that 42,000 was already my first price target. Right now, if Bitcoin is breaking this with significant volume, my price targets are not only 47,000, 51,000 US dollars respectively. No, let me show you something. If we are zooming out here, because in the end, it's all about the current Bitcoin holdings. Who is profitable at what specific price levels? Who is getting break even at what specific price levels? And we can see two big clusters of volume actually right here at the trading range we're at right now, and then obviously a little bit higher starting at 47. Actually, you can see if Bitcoin were to break the 41,000 to 42,000 US dollar levels with significant volume, there would be a lot of thin air between. Bitcoin would have a very easy game compared here, of course, to other scenarios, to break the 47,000 US dollars and then also to knock out the 51. Right now, obviously, we have to wait and give it a little bit of more time to see whether Bitcoin can break the 42,000 US dollar level, but this might be an interesting one. And if we are going decisively higher here with significant volume, I might be even scaling up my trade. You know my trade, 5.4 million US dollars in profits. By the way, let me go over here. I already forgot, my bad. I forgot the sun, but it just right now set. How beautiful. Anyway, let's talk about the trades again. 5.4 million US dollars in profits. In position size. Profits are 762,000 US dollars, approximately 19 Bitcoin in profit here. And you see, I put my money where my mouth is. Not only that I put in 5.4 million US dollars in quantity on this specific trade. No, I'm keeping that trade. When Bitcoin went from 42,000 to 38, people told me, Chris, you are crazy. I told you, I stay in my trade unless the market structure is changing, unless I have to switch my bias. This is why we are so profitable. We are not jumping in and out of trades. We are opening from a position of strength and we are holding it open until we are proven wrong. This is why I am personally always looking out for Bitcoin creating higher highs and higher lows. And if we are zooming out a little bit, you can see that this trajectory started for the first time right here. And since then we are creating higher lows. Even this is a low. This is a higher low. Told you, unless we are not breaking the previous low, I remain bullish. We are creating higher highs as well. So this is technically on the 4 hour already. We are in an uptrend. This is why I am riding the wave here and I'm keeping this trade open. If you want to trade like me, before I'm going over into Ethereum, Bitcoin and Ethereum as well, and also some altcoins, but honestly, please be a little bit cautious. I'm personally only trading Bitcoin and very seldomly Ethereum, because those ones, the other ones, they are just too volatile to trade them with the leverage. I think it's crazy. You can do it if you want. Anyway, Bitcoin, Ethereum, the most important. And if you want to trade them as well, well, in the comment section down below, in the very first comment, you'll find a $3,520 free bonus. If you click the very first link in the pinned comment, Bybit alone grants you $1,600. Then we have Feemax. In total, $3,500. If you go to the pinned comment, you click the link after your initial deposit. Honestly, guys, this is like 25 seconds of work for $3,500. Of course, only if you're an experienced trader, but if you are, and your portfolio is not like $20 million, invest those 25 seconds and claim the bonus. You can trade only with the bonus and with the profits, obviously, from this exchange as well. Obviously, I want to talk about Ethereum as well. We talked so much about Bitcoin. Ethereum, same game. I mean, honestly, guys, if you are subscribed to the Twitter channel, I was telling you throughout the last few days how bullish. I am so bullish on Ethereum. I posted just a day ago, and I'm posting since a long time how bullish I am here on Ethereum. And you can see we are creating new all-time highs for Ethereum. In fact, Ethereum is on the way to the price target I predicted earlier, between $3,000 and $3,100. In fact, right now we are testing resistance here. If I were to make a trend line like this, where we have several touch points here, actually, you can see that Ethereum is right now testing it. So we can expect maybe a small rejection here. We can expect some resistance coming in, as we saw it every single time before. This is just a probability standpoint. But in the end of the day, I do think we are going to reach these price targets. I do think that Ethereum is continuously going to be bullish, obviously with some roller coasters in between. Nothing is going up for in a straight line forever. Let me quickly see what's happening here with the camera. Maybe I can switch it around like this. Now it's working. Nothing is going up in a straight line forever. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching until the very end. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button. Thank you so much for sharing with me this amazing experience watching the sunset. And we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.